Alright guys, how's it going? I hope you're doing very well. Now today I was in a conversation on Discord with another Blender user and I had Passepartout enabled. Now if you're unaware what this feature is, essentially anything outside of the camera viewport, you can control the opacity. It's good if you're distracted with elements in the scene. So this is very easy to use, to be honest. You can select the camera. If you go to the camera data properties, you can come down to viewport display. Now generally it's hidden away. And you can come down to Passepartout and enable it. Now, I want to show you this specifically. If it doesn't work, the chances is in the view tab, it's probably disabled, so you can enable it here as well. So just be careful of that gotcha. But generally what you do is you can enable it and you can control the opacity. And as you can see here, anything outside of the camera viewport, it hides. And it's good if you just want to concentrate on animating specifically inside of the camera. Now, another quick tip while I'm here, let me bring this down a little bit, is you can actually select the camera with this rectangle. Now, it's a bit obvious, but if you've never used Blender, it's a good tip as well. So you can select the camera by just clicking on this rectangle. If you want to zoom the camera view right into the actual viewport, you can actually press the home key when the camera is selected and it'll make everything full screen. Another quick tip is you can press Control and spacebar and that'll full screen the window as well. So that's 3 very quick tips. I hope this helps you out. You know what to do, like and subscribe, all that crap. Anyway, take care.